don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me with my hair. So I came to work for us in the house today, so I didn't go to the shop today. My daughters went to the shop for me and they just finished working now. This is to 5 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they left the house to 5 and I am rushing to go retouch my hair. Tomorrow is Sunday and I can't stand or carry my hair. This tripod is going here and there. Like, even the jewelry I wanted to wearing a golden jewelry. I picked my jewelry and one fell off under the drawer. I have to leave it there. Like, I just left it there. Okay, I should continue managing this tripod for me. I picked another quickly to rush. I hope I will still meet them. Okay, because this is weekend. I don't know if I'm still going to meet the salon where I want to use. So come along with me while I go retouch my hair. Okay, enough of my blah 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 blah. Let's go to the salon. I bought this relaxer for 14,500. It's been long. I've used it before, but it's been so long. I can't even remember the year when I used it last. Yeah, I think I'm here. Let's go in and see. Hi guys, good afternoon. Let's make Sunday lunch. So this is what lunch looks like in an African home. Make lunch with me as a mom living in the northern state of Nigeria, Kaduna State. Hi guys, my name is Chinelo. If today is the first time of stopping by, please do not make it a last. My name is Chinelo Ezonye. Please watch this video to the end, like, comment, share. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let's be one family. Today is Sunday. Please make lunch with me. Chicken. I have to start frying it in this pot. So our meat is ready. Chicken has fried properly. So let's get it out. Go in with a more fresh fish. Fish is dried. Let's see all the fish. I want to go in with my onion inside the oil, same oil I use in frying the the meat and the fish. Go in with our onion, dark soy sauce, just a little bit. Here is my spices. I forgot to say, the onion I added some fresh garlic to it. Here is my seasoning. This is tin tomato. Oh, I spilled it. Here is fresh blended tomato. Here is pepper mix. This is tatase, shombo, and fresh pepper. The pepper is roughly blended. Here is our stew. Guys, our stew is ready. This is what our vegetable looks like.
Throwing her light on my teary face, lost inside a cold and empty space. She knows I'm waiting for a single spark, just a hopeless dream.
So hey guys, this is my rice, plantain, vegetable, fish, and chicken. So do let me know, would you be trying this in your kitchen? And yeah, this brings us to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.